story about a person. Means I will not tell you the person who is, but these types of person are around us in our daily life. We can see many of this. Now, have you ever met a person who always keeps opposing? Means हमेशा जो society बोल रही है, जो सब if group of friends are there, so if all the groups are saying that today we will go out and watch the movie, but that only one person will be saying no, we will not watch the movie, we will go to eat a pizza like this. So means he always keeps on telling what opposite of what others are telling. So we find these types of person around us in our daily life. So to what is called to them, means हम उनको क्या कहकर बुलाएंगे? These types of person means जो who always keeps on opposing the society. So what we will call them? We will call them, means for them the word is there, rebel. Rebel means a person who always keeps on opposing the society. Means he always wants that only which society is denying. Or he always says that if we, example I am telling, if we are, if everyone wants a, means everyone wants, trend is there that we should have a long hair and all. He is like, no, I like the short hair. I feel very hot in long hair. I can't, means any excuse he can give, but he wants the opposite of what society is saying. So here, the rebel, we will see about the rebel poem. It is a beautiful and I think different concept of the poem, and it is written by the poet D.J. Enright. Now, before moving to the poem, I would like to discuss something about the poet itself. That is, his full name is Denis Joseph Enright. Means in short, D.J. Enright. He was a British academic poet and novelist. Means he has written many of the poems and many of the novels also. And he authored various books. He in range of essays and for children. Means उन्होंने बहुत सारी जैसे essays हो, children के लिए story books हो. Means he basically writes for the children only. And let's start with the poem. The rebel. When everybody has a short hair, the rebel lets his hair long. And when everybody has a long hair, rebel cuts his hair short. Now, with this line, we can understand that how, means if take this era only, take this time only, we can say, if trend is going on that we will have a short hair. Now, I want a short hair. इन सबके पास short hair है, मुझे भी short hair चाहिए. But rebel is the only one person who keeps on saying, no, I don't want short hair. I will keep my hair long. I will grow my hair long like this. And when everybody says that long hair look good, it is add to the beauty. Means when everybody says that we should have long hair, it looks good on us. So what rebel will say? Rebel will say, no, I can't handle long hair. I will have only short hair. Means he gives various excuses for his opposition, we can say. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Now, if in your class your teacher has given you some task, means about discussion, she has told you to discuss among themselves, so their noise is created, but for a good cause, obviously. So the rebel is only one person who keeps silence, who keeps mum over there. He doesn't do anything, he just sits over there. And when teacher is telling you to pay attention to the class, don't make noise, and that time rebel is the only one person who keeps on creating disturbance in the class. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in a fantastic clothes. When everybody wears a fantastic clothes, rebel dresses soberly. Means uniform means here we can say same dress, mean everybody wants to wear, like example, they have kept a theme, everybody wants to wear today yellow only, means that सब yellow पहन कर आएंगे. Where what rebel says, no, I will be a colorful, means मैं colorful पहन के आऊँगा, मेरे को सबके जैसा नहीं पहनना है, I don't want to wear that yellow. And when everybody says that we will have colorful dress, then he wants to wear the uniform, or he wants to wear a simple sober dress. Soberly means we can just simple, एकदम simple सी dress वो पहनकर आ जाएगा. He don't want to wear that fantastic clothes. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. Now, imagine a group of person are sitting and they are discussing among themselves. Nee, dogs are so cute. We should love dogs. We should keep them. They are very loyal. Like this means everybody keeps on praising the dogs. Where rebel is the only one person who says, no, I don't like dogs. I like cats. Cats are more cute than them. And they don't create men, means he gives that type of excuse. And when everybody says that they love cats, here rebel says, no, I love dog. When everybody praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of the sun. Now, imagine if outside of a house beautiful climate is there, means it is a sunny climate, means sun is there, but it is totally a warm and beautiful climate. So we are enjoying, what a beautiful sun is there today, what a beautiful weather is there today. Here rebel says, ना काश बारिश होती यहाँ पे, मे बी यहाँ पे थोड़ी बारिश हो जाए, कितना अच्छा लगे. And when everybody is greeting the rain, जब सब लोग बारिश में enjoy कर रहे हैं, they are enjoying the rain. Where rebel says, नहीं थोड़ी धूप हो जाती तो शांति हो जाती है, कीचड़ चली जाती है, ऐसा वैसा. Means he keeps on opposing the society. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. This always happens among the friends. When everybody is saying that today we will go out, when today we will go out and have a means enjoy movie or go to the restaurant and all, where rebel is the only one person who says, no, wow, what a hot weather is that, we don't want to go out, I want to sit at the home and we will enjoy reading or anything. And when everybody wants to stay at home and enjoy with their friends, where rebel says, no, we should go out and watch the movie. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. This always happens when we are having guests in our house. So they keep on saying that if we are asking them that what do you like to have, you like to have some tea or cold drink, so everybody will say no thank you, we don't want anything. Rebel is the only one person who says no, I would like to have some tea. And when everybody says that they want some tea or any kind of cold drink, rebel will say no, I don't want anything. So this always happens when we are having guests in our house. Now it is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Now in this line the poet is trying to tell us that it is a good thing that we are having rebels in our society, because if everybody is working in the same direction, so हमें जैसे अगर सब लोग एक ही, there will be no charm in our life. There should be a person who should stand for a good cause. I am not telling कि आप छोटी छोटी बातों में oppose करो अपने friends के साथ. ना teacher has told us that we should be a rebel over here, but it doesn't mean that you are keeping on opposing on a small thing. We should raise our voice. We should stand for ourselves. We should stand for the good cause of the society. But if it is for a good purpose, so it is good to have a rebel in our society. But you may not find it very good to be one. Why author is telling like this, that it is not good to be one? Because if someone is opposing, keeps on opposing, नहीं नहीं ये नहीं करना है, वो नहीं करना है, so firstly they will have many much hatred around him, मीन्स बहुत लोग उनसे नफरत करेंगे, दे मीन्स लोग उसको उनको पसंद ही नहीं करेंगे ऐसे पर्सन को कि ये तो हमेशा अपोजिट बोलता रहता है, तो हमारा साथ ही नहीं देता, ही नेवर सपोर्ट्स अस, सो ही उसको बहुत सारे लोग नफरत करेंगे. बट इवेंचुअली व्हेन दे विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट ही इज टेलिंग फॉर समथिंग गुड, वो कोई गुड कॉज के लिए ही ऐसा कर रहा है, देन at the end eventually they will start liking him, means हाँ इसने सही किया, ऐसे आवाज उठा के काश हम भी उस वक्त बोल सकते. But remember this thing, if we want to be rebel, we want to tell ourselves, it should always be for a good and right cause. So I enjoyed this poem. I hope you will